Hey Gus. So this is Gus, and I already posted one video of them, but as you can see, they've really gotten into the groove. Little cat, and they're not scared anymore, which is good. Little cat gets a little skittish once in a while. Hey little cat, she really likes watching those parakeets. You like that, little cat? Yes, you do. You like those birds. And Gus, I don't know if you could hear him purring, but all he wants to do is sit here and be pet. Hey Gus, you love her? You love her? Yes, you are. So don't worry about them too much. They're doing very well. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You're fresh. Little cat. What you doing? Come over here. You good boy? Yeah, you're a nice boy. Yeah. Little cat. See if I can get that purr on here. Come on. Little cat, come over here. Come over here. Come on. Come over here. Let's go get little cat. Bring him over here. He's just too excited to see the birds and what's going on over there. Little cat. But they're doing well, so don't worry.